First off, I want to thank 123toid for giving me the idea for this project. He has a really good video on exactly how to build this subwoofer, which includes his design plans, the parts list, and where to buy them all. You can find the link to his video by clicking this video link or down in my description below. I want to start off by saying first that I'm really happy with the way that this subwoofer came out, both looks-wise and sound. The first thing I want to do is lay out exactly what my project goals were with this build. First and foremost, I wanted to build a subwoofer from scratch. You see, I had already built the Overnight Sensations kit from Parts Express, and it turned out really good. The speakers sound incredible. I mean, I'm very, very, very surprised about how good they sound for the price that you pay for it. The sound just really comes alive when you listen to it. It's quite amazing. But it came in a kit, and the cabinets were already prefabricated, and all you really had to do was glue it together. I really wanted to do everything from beginning to end. I also wanted to learn how to use a program called WinISD, which is a program that allows you to model out the frequencies and decibels on any type of particular speaker build. Third is I wanted to cut my own speaker holes and also make them recessed so that the speaker would be mounted flush and look a lot cleaner. Fourth, I wanted to use and install my own plate amp that I bought off Parts Express, and so that it's a wholly contained unit, the subwoofer. Fifth is I wanted to use and apply veneer, which I've never done before. This turned out to be a great learning experience. I purchased this Bandit veneer, and I used contact cement to bond it to the MDF. It ended up looking actually really good. I used a trim router for the edges and had to use a razor blade to cut out this around the speaker holes. I even tested many different colors of stain to use on the veneer, and the one I chose was an ebony colored one, and that also turned out really good. I also wanted Six to be able to figure out a coat of polyurethane that would actually come out real flat instead of super glossy like my last speakers. I ended up using a polyacrylic mini wax product that was water-based with a clear matte finish, and it turned out exactly like I wanted it to. And then lastly, I wanted all of this to work. And not just work, but also sound good at the same time. So in the end, it turned out really good. I mean, it's not perfect. I could definitely do a better job, but for my first try, building it from scratch, using veneer, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Now, as far as it really sounds great. I set the crossover so that the Overnight Sensations are still pumping bass out around 75 hertz, and which still sounds very good. Once it dips below that, it goes to the sub, and it really does a great job hitting that low area that the speakers otherwise couldn't. In the end, I'm really happy with how the entire thing turned out and also what I learned with the project. But if you want more information, again, go over to 123toid's page and follow his instructions on how to actually build it, get his plans, use his links, and find out more information about how to do it yourself. Thanks for watching.